Hey y'all, how y'all doing? It's your girl Tori Renee coming at you back at it again, one time for the one time with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about what to do when you have no woke or spiritual friends. Now, the first thing that I'm going to tell y'all is something so simple. Go make some spiritual friends. And you might be asking, where can I find them? Well, you can find them in quote unquote woke spaces. And for example, like you can go to a crystal shop, and if you see somebody there who has a good vibe, like talk to them. You can go to vegan food spots. Like one of the places I like to go is in Houston. It's called Soul Food Vegan, and they have like vegan burgers, like jambalaya, stuff like that. They have some really good cupcakes and stuff too. But they have like pyramids and stuff up in there. You walk in there, you be like, okay, the owner's probably woke or spiritual at least. But like it's really cool. And then there's another place in Houston called Houston Sauce Pit, and they had like vegan barbecue, and it is smackable. Like it smacks. But like I met a girl there, and she had like some tourmaline on. I was like, what's up? So like go to places where you can be around the type of people that you want to meet and talk to. Another thing I'll say that you could do is if you have like friends already, wake up your friends. If you care about your friends and their spirit, like try to wake them up. And it's a number of ways to do that, but what I say is start off small. Like I'll send my friends like some videos that I find on YouTube sometimes to like just show them what's up. Or, like I tell them about veganism, try to get them to try vegan food. And, you know, it works sometimes. And sometimes people, want to do their own thing, and that's fine because everybody is, has free will and is free to subscribe to their own philosophies and whatnot, anyways. But I'll also say this for the people who just don't have friends that are spiritual, it is okay. You do not need to have friends. Like when you don't have friends, you have more space to work on you and get in the lab and get yourself together. And it's better to have no friends than to have a bunch of friends that are not helping you grow spiritually or in general. Like it's better to be alone than have friends that just are not of the same mind as you. Period. And then lastly, I'll say like realize it's better to follow your truth alone than to follow mainstream media. And what I mean by that is, it's like, shoot, you might have friends that smoke and drink, right? And me, like, I don't smoke or drink. So if I had friends that were always trying to get me to smoke and drink and do things that I feel like leaves my spirit open to, open to be attacked, it's like they're not good for me, Or if I have friends that always bringing that negative energy and they don't have the best intentions for me, then that's not good. Maybe I need to distance myself or be alone. But not having spiritual friends is like, I can understand how that could bother somebody because it's like you learning all this stuff about your history, about like whatever spiritual practice you practice. Like let's say you want to learn about numerology, but you don't have nobody to like practice on. Like let's say you want to find your life path number or something. You want to talk to somebody about it because you're like, oh, you know, I learned about life path numbers today. Like my life path number is 11. But, like it's better. I know it feels better to have somebody to talk to about these things, but like it's okay. Because I believe that if you set your intentions right and you have good intentions and you do what you feel is right and you put out righteous intentions, everything else good will follow for you. So even if you don't have no woke or spiritual friends now, if you're looking for them, just keep going strong, and in the future it will come. Like it will all come to pass. But yeah, this was just a really quick video. I'll be posting most likely daily. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow. But anywho, it's been real. I'm sending out that peace, love, and positivity as always. Later.